dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Hey, my people, there'll be small matter they happen amid this gospel election in Edo State. An outrage has strayed the comment of Oshiomhole, senator representing Edo North, that Bestie, the wife of Governor Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, has no child. Hey, my people, don't be small girl. Moving on after this, we have Chelsea Dahosa, the former Edo State Commissioner for Information and ex-political advisor to the former governor Oshiomhole, yesterday accused Edo State Governor Obaseki of neglecting the local government council and their people. Wonderful people, before I go bring the matter, go like welcome and especially to my wonderful channel. As they giving a back-to-back update and information, I see they hot. So if today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining. I am my people. May we dive into the main story. Outrage has strayed the comments of Oshiomhole, senator representing Edo North, that Bessie, wife of Governor Obaseki, the state governor, has no child. On Thursday, the People Democratic Party in Edo State flagged off their governorship campaign for East and South East local government at Obiaja Township Stadium. During the campaign, Bessie introduced Ifeyiwa Ighodalo, the wife of Asi Ighodalo, PDP governorship candidate, to the crowd present at the event. Bessie claimed that Asi Ighodalo was the only governorship candidate in the September 21st election with a wife. The First Lady urged women to vote for a candidate who has a wife, adding that it will translate to women empowerment. She said, let's campaign and vote for the best candidate in this forthcoming election, because she wants to introduce his wife. Incidentally, out of all the candidates contesting in this election, Bessie said that only one has a wife. That is her own candidate, Asi Ighodalo. So now, reacting an interview with journalists, Oshiomhole said he was shocked to hear Bessie to say that Mondo Bobolo, the governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress, has no wife. The former Edo State governor claimed that Bessie and his husband have no child, and they did not adopt. Hey, my people, don't be small casalo. Oshiomhole said that he was shocked yesterday to see Mrs. Bessie Obaseki, the First Lady, saying that their candidate has no wife. That he is sorry that Bessie Obaseki has to say that because Bessie is a woman who has no child. That between him and Governor Obaseki, that they are childless, so they are not even ready to adopt. Hey, my people, don't be small. Oshiomhole said that he don't blame anybody who doesn't have a child, but people who have love for children go to motherless home and adopt. They have not adopted, and they are both in their 60s. That their candidate not only has children, that he has invested in education of those children, such that the first one who spoke at the campaign rally is a lawyer, and the second one is a medical doctor. They addressed the crowd in Edo South, in Edo Central, and Edo North, and their mother was there. When people, Senator Oshiomhole comment against Bessie Obaseki has elicited reactions on X handle. Hey, my people, don't be small matter. Some persons are saying that they should always ensure that politicians have a shelf life in the arena, because it's in their best interest to do so. Some persons they talk say Oshiomhole and Mrs. Obaseki left critical issues aside, and they are making heavy weather of who has a wife and who doesn't have a child. My people, be small matter. Politics makes elderly people behave like kids. Now, so we see them. Well, a lot of people condemn what was happening. Some are saying that it's actually below the birth. That there should have been a minimum level of civilities and respect in political arena. Because many people are disappointed that Senator Oshiomhole is saying this, because it looks like a mockery to them, and such remark is unexpected of an elder statesman. Why some are in support of what Oshiomhole did? They are saying that if someone used marriage as a reason to insult another person, that is fair to also use barrenness to insult the person. So no one should have the monopoly to be mad at each other. They say if they check them, they will see say Obaseki's wife found the APC candidate's weak point. Meanwhile, she didn't cover hers. Now that she has been hit below the belt, they say make she enjoy the boost. One thing about going personal on political campaign is that you can't control it. Once you go that way, everything is out of control because it has no jurisdiction. Oshiomhole went below the belt here, but Mrs. Obaseki shouldn't have triggered it. Though, to everybody's opinion, they are saying that Adams Oshiomhole should have just called out the statement Mrs. Obaseki said and set the record straight without having to go into gutter with her. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. Chelsea Darosa, the former Edo State Commissioner for Information and ex-political advisor to the former Governor Adams Oshiomhole, yesterday accused the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki of neglecting Hunode local government and their people, discussing that there are no teachers in public schools in the locality, despite that the Commissioner for Education, Joan Oviewe, hailed from that area. He also spoke at a hall during the All Progressive Congress Word to Word campaign in Oshiomhole Local Government Council. He noted that Obaseki-led government has turned the technical college in Oshiomhole into Gari factory, where locals take lessons on Gari processing, among others. But people don't be small buzzwords. Idarosa said that a pineapple juice factory and the technical college are now shadow of themselves since the People Democratic Party-led government refused to restore the factory to give the agrarian community a source of livelihood. It also begged the people to forgive Governor Godwin Obaseki and Adams Oshiomhole for bringing and championing the Obaseki-led government that failed the honor the people in delivering the dividends of democracy to their community. So reacting to the allegation, the Edo State Commissioner for Communication and Orientation, Chris Nikari, said that the Darosa has been a leech and a disloyal politician. Chris Nikari said that Idarosa's greed and self-centeredness made him leave the PDP for the APC, adding that Governor Godwin Obaseki has employed more teachers than any government in the state, which even though they benefited more. So he don't know what he's talking about. That he's looking for a way to sabotage Governor Godwin Obaseki-led government in order to make the people of Edo State not to vote for Aswe Ihodalo. My people don't be small biggie, but they're not going to be distracted in whatever allegation he wants to label on PDP. That they remain focused in this forthcoming governorship election. So he urged the people of Edo State to disregard that false accusation that was made by Idarosa. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you once again. Thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way, bye for now.